Hi again, in this video we are going to learn to edit the floor. On the ground floor view, let's double click in the gray border, which is the floor. As you can see, now I can edit the boundary, and this time I'm going to use the line tool and connect this point to the intersection between these walls, and after connect down here. Press escape, and next I want to use a specific command to remove these segments here. It's this one, trim extend to corner. I simply go to an intersection and click on the segments that I want to keep. And it forms a corner there. Finally, I accept the changes. This first floor is fixed. Then I have to move to the first floor view. Here, I'm going to repeat the process. So I double click on the floor. But this time the boundary will be a bit different, as we are going to create a balcony at the front facade. Now I'm going to displace this grip horizontally to the exterior face of this wall. The start point is here, and then make it with 700 mm of length downwards. Then a new line to where I find this intersection, make a vertical line to connect here, and close the boundary on the corner. Finally, we can use trim extend to corner again to finish editing the floor. Click to accept the changes, and here I click on attach, and we have just finished editing both floors.